Hello, welcome to AtLabs. Let me quickly show you how you can add lip sync to your story. And here you'll see that I've added these two scenes, and let's just go in here. So what I've done is this is a visual that I have. One is this Adam, he's Adam and he's here to visit Jaipur. So this is the scene one which I generated with the prompt. Now what we'll do is we'll add lip sync. So there's this one option which is Omni Human, which directly adds motion and lip sync. So for lip sync, voiceover or some dialogue is really important. So what you can do is I just wrote that, hi, I'm Adam and I'm in Jaipur, let's explore together. I just selected that his country accent and the voice from the library that is available. And I also added these tags on how his voice should sound like, basically the annotations of his voice. So let's just listen to the voice that got generated.
Hey, I am Adam and I am in Jaipur. Let's explore together.
And similarly, I added one more script here, which is, let's hear that out.
The pink city looks so beautiful and cultural. I might be staying back to visit the forts here.
And just in case you have your own audio, you can just select the upload audio option and you can just upload the audio directly from your desktop. So that's how you can generate the voiceover. Now let's just quickly switch to this lip sync icon, and in case you want to enter any prompt, you can do that. You will see
Hey, I am
the voiceover for them to actually lip sync and just select apply. Similarly, we'll do that here, and you'll see the output will have motion and lip sync together. And our outputs are here. Let's have a look at them.
Hey, I am Adam and I am in Jaipur. Let's explore together.
And this is the other one.
The pink city looks so beautiful and cultural. I might be staying back to visit the forts here.
Great, right? Now let's say there's this situation where you have the motion and you have the voiceover. We just need to add the lip sync. So for that, let's say this is the voiceover. We already have the motion here. Also, one more thing, the nearer the motion, the better the lip sync would be. So just make sure that the face is quite visible, the lips are visible. And let's say we have the motion and voiceover, just go to the lip sync option and you'll see multiple models here. Now you can select any of these. Let's say I'll select clean lip sync and just select apply. Whatever your voiceover is, that dialogue will be automatically applied to your character in the motion.
Hey, I am Adam and I am in Jaipur. Let's explore together.
That's it. I hope this was a helpful tutorial. Thank you and take care.